Hello everyone, this is Mishra, legal intern under LEXIS and Company, and today in this video I am going to discuss about the recent advisories that have been issued by the National Human Rights Commission to the centre, state governments and union territories. The National Human Rights Commission has issued advisories to all the states, union territories as well as the centre, calling for specific action within 4 weeks on the issue of mental health related to the bonded labourers, the migrant workers and other informal sector workers in view of the adverse impact of COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has been a deadly one for not only the rich but also the poor, and especially for the poor for whom even a stable livelihood is a big question. The NHRC, in a letter through its Secretary General, Mr. Bimbadhar Pradhan, has written to the Secretaries of Union Ministries of Health and Family Welfare, Labour and Employment, Women and Child Welfare, Chief Secretaries of States and Union Territories of the and has asked for the implementation of recommendations in the advisories, and also for the action report that will be taken within 4 weeks. These advisories are the right to mental health, identifying the release and rehabilitate bonded labourers, and safeguarding the rights of informal workers during the pandemic. Moreover, it is the Commission that has observed that there are issues that have also arose during the pandemic, leading to severe mental health issues that have come up, particularly among those who are vulnerable. On the issue of rights violation of the bonded labourers during the pandemic, the Commission has observed that the second wave has cathartically deepened their existing problems, which makes them more vulnerable and easier target for human trafficking. In the advisory on identifying, release and rehabilitate bonded labourers, the Commission, besides the specific recommendations, divided into 5 key categories, which are prevention, identification, rescue, rehabilitation and repatriation and legal aid to the district administration, has also given 11 specific recommendations to the centre and the state government as well as the union territories. The Ministry of Labour and Employment should consider, as per the advisory issued by NHRC, immediate reimbursement of the fund if the procedures are duly followed by the state governments. It is also asked the district administration to ensure immediate cash and travel assistance to released bonded labourers post the rescue. Moreover, the State Labour Department has been asked to create a helpline number connected with the labour officials in the district to provide immediate help to the labourers in districts who are at distressed places at workplaces. The Chief Secretary may also issue directions to the concerned department to prepare a state action plan for prevailing and preventing and cohabitating the victims of bonded labours and labour trafficking during the COVID-19 pandemic. Apart from that, the said notification also said that the Union Labour Ministry and the State Labour Departments should update regularly their websites to ensure that whatever data is present is properly managed with updated information. The Chief Secretary of the state has to mandatorily issue letters to all the DMs, DCs and get an updated list of the functional vigilance committees that has been there at district and subdivisional level. Moreover, the NHRC also said that these efforts should be made by the district administration to work closely with the education department to encourage enrollment of children into schools to minimize the number of children falling out of education system and into child labour. Now the big question is that whether these recommendations will be taken up so seriously, or the undying and the catastrophic effect that pandemic has brought would continue to deteriorate the conditions of the poor, because India has been one of the most poorest and the most affected countries in the world right now, and there seems to be no relief. Let's see what happens. Thank you.